Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're reviewing the best ATV Front Rack Basket, the KUAFU Front Cargo Basket Universal ATV UTV Black Steel Storage Rack. If you're looking for a reliable and durable storage solution for your ATV or UTV, then this product is a must-have. This front cargo basket is crafted from high-quality steel, ensuring it is both strong and long-lasting. With its sleek black design, it blends well with any ATV or UTV, and it's coated with electrophoresis and powder coating to resist wear and tear. The steel material not only provides excellent impact resistance but also boosts its overall durability. This means you can rely on it even in tough environments without worrying about damage or rust. When it comes to size, the basket offers a perfect fit for front mounting on most ATV and UTV models. It measures 7.1 inches in height, 17.2 inches in width, and 37.2 inches in length, providing ample space to store all your outdoor gear, tools, or whatever essentials you may need. The open mesh design is a key feature of this basket, allowing dirt and small debris to fall through easily while preventing rainwater from collecting inside. This feature is perfect for keeping your stored items dry and clean, even in the roughest conditions. Installation is a breeze with the included mounting hardware. You won't need any modifications, and the basket mounts securely using new bolts, ensuring it stays in place even on rugged terrains. Whether you're heading out on a long ride or need extra space for tools, this cargo basket is easy to install and requires minimal effort. What's even better is that the package includes everything you need: the front cargo basket, all necessary hardware, and clear installation instructions. It's all set for a quick and hassle-free setup. Plus, no modifications are required, so you'll have your new cargo basket ready to go in no time. Overall, the KUAFU Front Cargo Basket is the perfect addition to your ATV or UTV, offering solid build quality, convenience, and reliability. Whether you're using it for storage on the go or for transporting gear, this basket is a great solution. If you need a practical way to carry your essentials while keeping them secure and dry, this is the product for you. Thanks for watching Product Critique.